So here's the end with the loop, and then what happens comes around here, comes through here, and loop on loop, and then it gets started. So here we go.
Got a squirrel on me.
Oh, someone's finally come to. That's turned into a whole new video. Okay. Look at this little bug. Are you kidding me? Are squirrels curious? Well, I think we've just answered that question. Or it just wants to be with us. You want to help with the drum? This is Freedom Peanut. Freedom Squirrel. Freedom Squirrel. No chewing the drum ropes, honey. Okay, so there it is.
Okay.
It's very important. No, back up a bit. I want you to see.
Back up.
Yeah, so it goes there to there.
Okay.
You gonna get the glue off for me? Okay, here. Wait, Peanut. I gotta get it through. I don't know if it'll go through. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna be the last one. So this is the way it's gonna go now. So now we leave this here. You got that?
Yep.
We leave that alone. We move over to here. And we simply come backwards all the way around.
Okay.
Stop.